What is Linux? Linux is an open source operating system based on the Linux kernel. It is widely used in servers, desktops, mobile devices, and even embedded systems. Unlike operating systems like Windows, Linux is free to use, modify, and distribute. Its open source nature has led to the creation of hundreds of different versions, known as Linux distributions or distros. Let's compare Linux and Windows to understand their key differences. Cost: Linux is free and open source, while Windows is a paid operating system and closed source. Customization: Linux allows users to modify the source code and customize the OS, whereas Windows is closed source and doesn't allow such modifications. Security: Linux is considered more secure due to its permission-based architecture and smaller user base, making it less of a target for malware. User interface: Windows has a more user-friendly GUI, while Linux offers both GUI and command line interfaces, catering to advanced users. Software compatibility: Windows supports a wide range of commercial software, while Linux relies on open source alternatives. We could make a video about the differences between open source and closed source, as well as the different types of licensing programs in the future. Linux is ideal for developers, while Windows is more suited for general users and businesses. What are Linux distros? A Linux distribution is a version of Linux that includes the Linux kernel, system utilities, and often a package manager. Each distro is tailored for specific use cases. Let's look at some popular ones. Debian, known for its stability and reliability. Debian is often used for servers and as a base for other distros like Ubuntu. Ubuntu, a user-friendly distro based on Debian. Ubuntu is great for beginners and general desktop use. It is also widely used in cloud computing. Linux Mint. Based on Ubuntu, Mint is designed for ease of use and comes with pre-installed multimedia codecs, making it ideal for home users. Arch Linux, a lightweight and highly customizable distro. Arch is perfect for advanced users who want complete control over their system. Each distro has its strengths, so choose one based on your needs. If you are curious about Linux but don't want to replace Windows, virtualization is the perfect solution. Firstly, install VMware Workstation Player. Secondly, download a Linux ISO. Visit the official website of the Linux distro you want to try, for example Ubuntu, Mint, Debian, Arch, and download the ISO file. Next, create a virtual machine. Open VMware and click on Create a new virtual machine. Select the downloaded Linux ISO file and follow the prompts to configure the virtual machine. Start the virtual machine and follow the on-screen instructions to install Linux. Most distros have a simple installation process. Once installed, you can explore Linux in a virtual environment without affecting your Windows system. Thank you so much for watching this video. Your support means the world to me. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments which Linux distro you are excited to try. See you in the next video.